Welcome back to my channel, boy Darwin. If you're new to the channel, don't mind subscribing, liking this video, and also commenting my thoughts. You can follow me on Instagram for more information. As always, it will be coded in black. It will be maybe on the screen here, or here. But anyway, guys, show some love, support, and also do it now. Just subscribe. As I stay caffeinated, just subscribe. Okay, 2 minutes. Go a second. Yes. Now that you have subscribed, I hope you have, because if you do, you're going to get lucky, you know what I'm saying, my boy? Yeah, okay, let's go. On this video, I'm just going to talk about what is going to happen during this month. The last video I talked about how I got here, and it's been 2 weeks since I'm posting again, which is inconsistent. And as a YouTuber, that is so bad. Like I said in the previous video, as you can see, I'm all dressed up. I'm just from the church, you know. Praise the Lord. The man upstairs knows what's going on down here. Anyway, guys, now, so this video, as you can see, I'm now in my house. The previous video was at my balcony right here. Very good view. And now today I'm in my house. I'm just going to give you a little house tour of my house, where I'm staying, how I be rocking this place, where I kick it at, you know, the balcony. Maybe my friends might. Anyway, my friends, that's too good to be true. I ain't got no friends yet. But as this day continues, maybe let's hope for the best. And there's something on my lip. I don't know if you can see it. I think it's water from this side. Anyway, guys, before I get to that, guys, I'm going to just give you a little rundown of what is expected from me to you guys this month. So, number 1 on the list, obviously, like I said, big things are coming, and I need your support. I need you guys to show some love, show some support. Support these guys, support, okay? So I'll be having a merch drop soon. It will be called Darwin Clothing. You'll check it out on darwinclothing.com, whereby I'll be having t-shirts, hoodies maybe, but mostly I want to get more shirts out. Then after that, when there's more profit with the business, I'll start putting out hoodies. But for the time being, it just go be shirts. So you can get those shirts next month. My partner who is working with me, who is also Darwin, his name is Darwin, was doing that, you know, that little printing stuff. So next month, go ahead and follow my Instagram. It's coded in black. There are 2 accounts. That one with that handsome boy that looks like this with, you know, that is the guy. That's the same person you should follow on Instagram. But before that, let me just give you my how do we call it, my tour. Let me sit to the balcony first. It was just a little rundown of how my room looks like. But maybe they're another like, oh no, but you know, guys, you know what, we have to stay on. We have to trust the process. Stay focused. Okay, now this is the place where I be sleeping. I have my my sheet right there. It's a very good detail. That's why I bought it. I have my bed. This is basically where I sleep, this place. Then that's the door out of my balcony. I think I've shown you that. Maybe let me just, okay, I have to wash. Anyway, that's where I sleep. Those are my clothes. Don't mind that trouser. I'm from church, so I just had to, you know, I had to put it there. Okay, this is just a mess. I won't show you. Then I have this side where I keep my notes, you know. Waking up, you have to get something to motivate your ass. So that's basically it. Then my bathroom. Let me just get the shower. So that's my little bathroom going on. I have some freshness after the toilet. Hey, I'm a clean boy. That's clean. So that's the best I can get with the cleanliness. It was that short. That's how small my house is. Then back to the goals for this month. Let me just go through what I'm expected to do this month. So the first on the list is working out 6 days a week. Okay, for the past month I was working out, but not really consistently. This month I have to do it very, very consistent. It has to be something that I have to go hard on it, like 5 days a week. I have to work out. You know, my biggest fear is dying skinny, and trust me, no one wants to die skinny. If it's you, I'm sorry, not me. Now, YouTube. On YouTube, this is only possible if you guys come in. I'm expected to get 1,200 subscribers this month, this October. Currently, I'm at 180, where I'll get 1,120 subscribers. I don't know, 120 subscribers. I don't know, but you guys are going to help me out on that. You're going to subscribe. Vlogging, I have to vlog 4 times a week. My social media platform, you know, I have to grow it, right? So I have to, on Instagram, I also have to post 5 posts a day, then 4 to 5 reels, you know, for more growth on Instagram. Then on TikTok also, I'll be posting them on TikTok. So those videos that normally I talk about cars, they are mostly on TikTok. Then I just push them here. Same thing. Now on my academics, there I just have to go hard on it. Go hard or to go home. This course is very demanding. There's very, very short time that I get. So like I leave at 4 or at 2. I go to the gym up to 4, maybe for 2 hours. Then after 2 hours, I go for basketball. Just I do an hour, 30 minutes, and then I come take a shower, do some books there, then cook. At times I don't even cook. I eat at my friend's place. Okay, a friend. Okay, now I eat there and then I'm back at my place, or if not, I just cook. Same thing. Then with basketball, like I said, I have to also practice on basketball. So these are my major things I have to work on this month. And guys, I need your support. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for more videos. This was just a boring vlog, which I think won't get many views, but in either way, you have to trust the process. Peace out. See you in the next one.